talking about one of the most tragic and world-changing events in modern history, the September 11, 2001 attack, commonly known as 9/11. On the morning of September 11, 2001, the world watched in shock as terrorists from the Al-Qaeda network hijacked four commercial airplanes in the United States. Two of these planes were flown directly into the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center in New York City. A third plane hit the Pentagon in Washington, D.C., and the fourth, United Flight 93, crashed into a field in Pennsylvania after brave passengers tried to regain control. The attacks killed nearly 3,000 people from 86 different nations, showing that this tragedy was not just an American event but a global one. The perpetrators came from a transnational terrorist network, primarily Al-Qaeda, led by Osama bin Laden. This group was supported by individuals and sympathizers from various countries, highlighting how terrorism had become a global threat rather than a local one. The impact of 9/11 was felt around the world. Because of modern technology and global media coverage, billions of people witnessed the events unfold live on television. News outlets like CNN and Al Jazeera broadcasted the attacks and their aftermath continuously. Terrorists had entered the global stage not just an act of violence, but also as a form of public performance meant to spread fear and deliver a symbolic message to the world. In
My fellow
response,
citizens,
nations
at
across
this
the
hour,
global united
American
in
and
what
coalition
became
forces
known
are in the
as
early stages of
the
military
Global War
operations
on Terror.
to disarm Iraq,
The
to free its
United
people,
States launched
and to
military
defend the world
operations
from grave
in
danger.
Afghanistan and later Iraq, aiming to dismantle terrorist networks and prevent future attacks. Furthermore, terrorism today can be understood as a public performance of violence. According to French sociologist Pierre Bourdieu, public life is shaped not only by institutions but also by symbols and dramatic acts. Terrorist attacks often serve as symbolic acts. They are meant to be seen to send a message and to challenge global values and systems. In conclusion, the 9/11 attack was more than just a moment of destruction. It was a turning point in global history. It demonstrated how deeply interconnected our world had become and how acts of violence in one place could affect people everywhere. It reminded the world of the urgent need for unity, understanding, and lasting peace.